AMC has a rigorous process for ensuring all employees are fit for the role based on skills, qualifications, experience, character and integrity. Prior to employment, all personnel are required to undergo a pre-employment background authorization by the appropriate authority and full reference checks are done. These records are maintained by AMC on the employee's files. AMC recognises that one of the greatest concerns customers have when changing cleaning service suppliers is the phase of transition. They want to be assured there is no disruption to the cleaning service. Using our 9-step transition and implementation plan, we ensure this is structured, smooth and seamless. All AMC staff must be assessed as competent prior to commencement of any work. All new staff undergo a full induction with an in-depth explanation of all AMC company policies. We put special focus on occupational safety and health, code of conduct, security and environmental aspects and impacts. Training is managed using the AMC online training platform. Training modules include general cleaning, cleaning of specific surfaces such as floors, windows and washrooms, equipment and machinery handling, product use, as well as others. Infection control is an in-depth module covering the use of PPE and protocols for infectious diseases such as COVID. We also cover specific colour coding of cleaning tools, such as mops, buckets and gloves, as well as storage and the organisation of janitors' closets or cupboards. Communication and security are critical parts of our training program. Staff will cover reporting, the arming and disarming of alarms, and maintaining on-site communication books. Once a staff member has successfully completed all modules, they will receive a certificate of completion. New staff are given on-the-job training and can work independently once they've been assessed to be fully competent. Industry sector-specific training is provided to all cleaning staff to ensure regulatory compliance and sector competency. Site-specific induction is an important part of the AMC training. Here is an example. Mecca is an Australian company that sells over 150 of the best global beauty brands. Mecca has over 100 stores in Australia and New Zealand. They employ over 2,300 staff in their stores, which are called Mecca, Mecca Maxima and Mecca Cosmetica. AMC have the contract for cleaning services for 105 stores, 2 distribution centres and 4 service centres. The Mecca stores are classified as Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 for cleaning purposes. Your site-specific scope of works will clearly indicate which tier store you will be cleaning. How to clean mirrors at all Mecca stores. A detailed clean of all mirrors must be done at every clean, using a clean cloth and a window cleaner. Remove fingerprints and remove any makeup from the mirrors. Do the same process for mirrored doors to the stockroom and all hand mirrors. Wipe down backs of freestanding mirrors wherever applicable. Ensure there are no streaks left behind on the mirrors. The AMC training program ensures we deliver safer, cleaner and hygienic environments where customers can be confident their physical and mental well-being is being looked after by dedicated and well-trained people.